Hey friends, here we are at this new Graham Hart builder. There's a view of the lake. This is the house. Really three bedroom, 2 bath. They're building this house over in Rumsfeld, which is just near the airport. A little bit different build quality over there, but same layout. Has 2 bedrooms up at the front, big walk-in closet, and we share a bathroom here. Then the front bedroom, another big closet here. And you come into the main area that goes to the double garage. Here's the laundry room. And if you're building this over in Rumsfeld, obviously you can pick the tile and the colors. Here's a great office space. Main living area, kitchen. Rumsfeld, you're gonna have a little bit different appliance package. You're gonna have built-in appliances over there. This has a great backyard. And then the main bedroom here. Really good size main bedroom, looks out over into the great backyard. This house is priced at $532, so Rumsfeld would probably be a little higher, but then you have a double vanity, got a shower, bathtub, water closet, built-in shower, and then a great big walk-in closet. So great area, great school districts, and let me know what you think. Have a super great day.